To wind the watch, turn the winder away from you. To set the hands, you pull the winder out and you'll hear a click. Then turn the winder towards you. This makes the hands turn in a clockwise direction. You never ever want the hands to turn in an anti-clockwise direction. When you've finished turning the hands and setting the time, you press the winder back in. To make the watch chime, you have a lever here. It's going in that direction towards the winder. Using your thumb, move the lever all the way until you can't go any further. Release. That is now powered down and gone back to its original setting. When the watch is powering down, don't start playing with the slide. Just wait until it's finished. If you want to see inside the back of the case, there's a lip there. Use your thumbnail to open it up. There are your hallmarks. There's the maker's mark. See the movement? There we go. To close it and release.